I'm Daniel Morgade, and I want to show you how you can use our program in order to improve your daily practice. I'm going to play a little piece, and you will see some available functionalities. I'm going to play a valse by Ferdinando Carulli. Now I'm going to do a mistake in the final part. In a few days, we are going to upload a demo program to our site. The download link is going to be placed in the Indiegogo campaign. We are planning to release Accento 1.0 at the end of April 2019. Until this time, you can purchase our product by our Indiegogo campaign with an incredible discount. So you can support our software development too. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.